bumpy starts come
That's
Monday.
right. It's been working out great for the weekends. I think this is now the third or fourth weekend in a row of nice weather. It looks like next weekend also should be relatively nice. It's just the stuff during the week we got to deal with and try to get out of the way. If you've stepped outside this evening, you may have noticed the humidity is increasing. And it's going to continue to do so over the next several days. So I suggest closing the windows, making sure your air conditioner is working, because you're going to want to use it the next several days. Dew points right now are in the middle to upper 60s. When we're talking about dew points, it's the measure of the moisture in the air. Anything above 60 degrees, it feels uncomfortable. That's right now. This is tomorrow. This is Wednesday, and that's Thursday. So you're going to see dew points climb up into the low to mid 70s over the next several days. And it's going to take our heat indices to the highest levels of 2017. I'm expecting heat index values to get up to right around 90, the feel-like number tomorrow here in central Indiana. We're talking upper 90s for Tuesday and Wednesday, and then feeling like, a mere low 90s come Thursday. So it's going to be a very humid week. That humidity is also going to help fuel showers and thunderstorms. We're going to see nightly complexes developing up to our north and sliding down towards us. So we're going to see overnight storms or early morning, and then we may see some pop up in the afternoon and then repeat it the next several days. Tonight we've got thunderstorms, a complex of thunderstorms developing in Minnesota. These will begin to dive to the south and east, or continue to move that direction over the next several hours. In fact, overnight. And I expect we'll start to see these thunderstorms arriving into northwestern Indiana by 8, 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Now, as our northern counties, especially north of Indianapolis, will have a chance for some thunderstorms with this line as it comes through. I do think the line will begin to fall apart and weaken as it moves into Indiana, but you can see by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, we may see some regeneration going on. In fact, Future View even showing a stronger thunderstorm developing in parts of the area. And there is a threat we may see a couple strong storms, especially tomorrow afternoon. And then once again, we'll see storms redeveloping tomorrow night, and then we'll have another chance for some stronger storms coming through early Tuesday morning. As far as the severe weather threat, the main threat will be some strong winds with this, although we can't rule a chance for some small hail with these storms as they move through the area either. And I wanted to show you one of our products from Future View. The computer model goes through and tries to predict where we may see some power outages, and there is the potential for that. So some of these thunderstorms may produce some strong winds that may knock some power lines down, so keep that in mind for tomorrow afternoon. We're also going to watch the threat for some heavy rains, especially in the northern part of the state. The Weather Prediction Center actually has a slight risk for flash flooding for Tuesday going into Wednesday morning. In the meantime, around here tonight, temperatures are very mild. We're sitting in the low to mid 70s throughout central Indiana. We don't cool off much overnight, only dropping into the upper 60s. And then tomorrow, we're going to see temperatures back in the middle to upper 80s, hitting 88 degrees tomorrow in Indianapolis. Winds will be a little gusty at times out of the southwest, gusting to 26 miles per hour. 7-day forecast shows 88 degrees by Tuesday, up to 90 Wednesday. At the bottom of the screen on the HX, I've got the peak heat index each day. And you can see we're talking up to feeling like 98 degrees by Wednesday. Chance for thunderstorms again by Thursday, and then turning less humid for Friday, just in time for the weekend.
There you
we
go.
see temperatures back in the middle 80s, but again, lower humidity around, and maybe a chance for some rain late next Sunday night.
Meantime, you guys will be